In this video, we're going to talk about how to lowercase strings within R. So we have this variable x here, it just says hello world. And if we wanted all of this to be lowercase, so essentially lowercasing the h here, we can do tolower, and then we're going to just put an x. And when we run this, we see that we get everything lowercased here. And so we can also run this. We have a data frame here that has hello world 4 times. We then capitalized hello world, and so now we can lowercase it. So we can run that df, we're just going to call it z, is going to be set to lower, and then we're going to do that of the column that we want. So in this case, we want dfc. So we're going to run dfc. We could have also done dfy here. It's going to result in the same thing. But if we want to work with the original, we can do this. And we can go ahead and run that. And when we look at df again, we're going to see that dfz exists here. So something that is important to note is that if we look at something like x is equal to y, we're going to get false. So this is looking at these two, the not all cap versus the all cap. And if we set this equal to z real quick, now if we run x is equal to z, we're also going to get false. And this is because the comparison here is case sensitive. So a common thing you want to do is actually run tolower on everything you're comparing string-wise, unless you want to see that case sensitive. So if we run tolower on x and z, we get true. And if we run tolower on x and tolower on y, we get true. So even though they're not the same, we can actually make it to where we're actually comparing the string itself and making it case insensitive by just converting them all to lowercase.